Welcome back, everyone. It's been a crazy couple of days. I don't even know what the last video was. Texas basically had a blizzard. Everything has been 10 degrees. It's on the plus side. It's 40 degrees now, and that's apparently t-shirt weather for me because I'm used to freezing in my house. Anyway, power's on. Everything's back to normal. Stuff is still being delayed. Last thing I think I had recorded was me milling blocks for the guides. I got 3 of them troughed. My fuse blew. I tried to get away with some fast acting fuses. They just don't work with motors like that. They just go. Went through 4 of them in under 10 minutes. They're allegedly on the Amazon truck. They started in South Dallas, and they're still delayed. They might show up tomorrow, maybe. Trucks are finally shipping things, but we have power again. So I'm gonna try to get what I can do. I have reinforced. You can see this. I've reinforced this guy so there's double beam. We'll talk about that. I'm gonna weld another one to the other side. I'm not gonna do double beam. I don't need double beam. I just need something flush up against where the wall will be. That was inside an inch. So it's easy to just add another one. Do one over there. In the front, in the center, I have double beam, and it stops. Then I have just a single beam on the top, and it keeps going underneath the sleeping area. I'm going to take a 1x1, run the rest of the way so I have something to rivet to. That's what I need to do today, and I should be, after that, it's going to be just cleanup. I'm cleaning this up as much as I can, so I have room to start skinning it, because that's coming. I have room to start with the actual bolting and stuff on. I have the turnbuckles up on top. You might be able to see the little dots up there. Maybe not. Doesn't matter. They're there. And on the other half, because what I have to do with these guys, this is troughed. I have to match this whole pattern to this whole pattern, so it's on top. And then I also have to round the corners. Aluminum, I can actually get away with using a router bit, and I have a cheap router bit, which I don't mind not existing after this, so I'm gonna give that a try. If not, what I'll do is I'll try on one not in the right position, so if it is annihilated, I'll just put on a 45 and just do a 45 cut. Then I'll just take it to the belt sander and round the corners. Anyway, sandbagging. I'm gonna get to working. So once this cools down, I'll sand off the outside edge, but I just fully welded that up. That's not going anywhere. Then I gotta do the same thing to the front now with those 2 other pieces. Okay, so this is clamped in place. I beveled 3 of my 4 edges. I can't weld the top edge because it's just a hollow and a hollow. So this will be welded out and ground down. This will be welded out and not ground out because I'll weld the tops and the sides. What I'll do is I'll rivet the skin along it. I left my helmet. That's unfortunately about it for the day. I'm going to go back and sand down those extra welds so they're smooth. But that's it. I don't have any parts in the finished working. I don't have the fuses to keep milling. I'm probably going to call someone, my dad in a bit, and we're going to probably talk about potentially just getting 3 linear actuators. Forget the gas strut thing. I put one either corner, where the corner of the main box is, one in the back, keep it square. Goes up, goes down, done. It locks, so when it comes down, it's locked in position. I'd have 2 latches in the front. I think it simplifies the whole system. I have electricity in it, so it's like maybe $200 worth of linear actuators, and I'm just done. That's it. Everything else is a little bit less expensive, but not that much. I mean, the latches were like $30-$40. I don't use them other places each. No, there were about $30-$40 when I'm finally done for everything. But so I think I'm going to talk about him about possibly doing that, figure out what we might need to do about that. But realistically, guys, until I get materials, I'm pretty much done right now. Catch you guys later.